Hey, Nathan Cox here. I've got a little bit of a dilemma, an issue that I'm standing directly under. That's right, this little back porch roof area here. If you have a house and you're thinking about adding on a porch roof, or you have one that's added on, I beg you, please be very careful, because a lot of these near flat roofs cause lots of trouble and destruction to your house. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Come over here, this corner here, you can see there's some metal wrapping that's been reinforced there, some of the foam that's been blown in, a lot of band-aids, but all that is just rotten. There's water that gets in between that. You can see the soffit boards there, they're blowing out, they're very soft, rotten. There's water that's actually made it into the house. Right here behind this wall is the bathroom that I'm actually trying to remodel. That's the project I'm supposed to be working on. When I pulled the sheetrock off, there was lots of mold, but it wasn't coming from the shower or anything else. It was coming from out here. Coming from this porch. On top of this, a lot of these things get built very poorly. I can't tell you how many, time and time again, people say that they're getting ready to fall off the house. Let's look at this one here. It's underneath the original roof's guttering, so that means the little bitty top of the board here of its rim joist is being bolted in to the very bottom of that 1x fascia board. Okay, obviously, if anyone knows anything about that, just by the sheer look of it, that's not very strong at all. So you have all this end weight over here sitting on that, and over here, underneath the girder, see the girder here, we have these steel trellises. They're not made out of stainless steel, they're not made out of wrought iron, something solid. They're made out of just a thin steel. You can see here in the caps how it's all rusted out real bad down there. And this one here, you can see it's just coming apart. I just took my finger right through what's supposed to be there. So this right here, this end could collapse. On top of that, by the angle of this, I've already knocked off one of these fascia boards. So you can see the rot there, you know, there, and even this girder beam, which is 2x8 thick, sitting here underneath the roof line, which should be protected. Here we go. Pocket knife. Oh, sorry. There we go. Yeah. That's not very good. Okay. So, I'm going to have to demo this entire thing so that when I when I put the walls back together in the bathroom, they don't turn around and rot and mold right away again because of this thing right here. So I'm actually having to demo the porch so that I can finish the bathroom. So I'm gonna take you right to the demo part of the video. We're gonna have a little bit more fun over here, okay? Okay. This is gonna be the funner part of the video. I haven't done a demo video for a while. I know generally most everyone likes to see the demolition. So I guess it's hammer time. Alright, you guys know me. I'm a stickler for this stuff. There's going to be debris falling all over the place. This stuff is rotten as hell. Okay, you can see there's not much left. Hope you guys had a little bit of fun with this. Believe it or not, some of the things that make this look like it's so easy is that before I started breaking everything apart, I made sure electrical was disconnected and anything else that might get in the way or cause additional damage was already cut or taken off. So this part is made to look easy. So demolition can be fun, but also can be one of the most dangerous parts of the job. So take care if you're going to try to do it yourself. The rest of this is just going to be boring, so I'm going to cut it right there. Thanks again, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this. As always, I got lots of other videos to check out.